The real estate market in Mimico is a popular area for those looking to purchase a home in the Greater Toronto area. The area offers a combination of affordability and convenience, with easy access to the downtown core and plenty of amenities. You can choose from a variety of housing options, including single-family homes, townhouses, and condominiums. The area is known for its wide variety of parks, including Mary Curtis Park, Humber Bay Park, and Colonel Samuel Smith Park. The area is also home to a number of excellent schools, including Mimico High School and Bishop Allen Academy. With its great location and amenities, Mimico continues to be a desirable place to live in the GTA.